When choosing a POE power supply network cable, the first step is to confirm the power requirements of the device. There are two common POE standards: IEEE 802.3 AF and IEEE 802.3 at POE. If the device has low power requirements such as IP cameras, wireless APs, etc., 3 AF up to 15.4 W is sufficient. If the device has high power requirements such as advanced wireless APs, VoIP phone, etc., choosing 802.3 at POE up to 25.5 W would be more suitable. Ensure that the network cable is at least Cat5e or higher standard, such as Cat6, to ensure stable data transmission and effective power supply.